Hi there, my name is Hani, and today I wanted to share with you how to obtain an authorization to fly your drone next to major airport. In my case, it was DFW, Dallas Fort Worth Airport. I wanted to fly over a site that is actually 2 miles away from the airport. Initially, I was mistaken. I thought I wanted to get a waiver, and it's gonna be a tedious process. But it turned out, after my research, it turned out that I need an authorization, which is much simpler than you getting a waiver. So I wanted to share the process with you of how to obtain that authorization step by step. So let's get started.
Drone Zone Portal, which is the FAA. It's going to be the very first one right there. Click on it, and it's going to take us over here. This is actually a portal for all the drones operators. So we're going to go to part 107 dashboard right there. We're going to go manage part 107 waiver slash authorization. Click on that, and as just can you see over here, I'm trying to apply for that one right there. And you're gonna click on here where is create part 107 waiver authorization, and this one's gonna pop up. For our purpose right here, it's the airspace authorization, and then I'm gonna start the application right there, and it goes like this. It's 4 steps. Flying next DFW. And they ask you when. Usually it's a day thing, and what time right here, and the frequency. Usually if you put anything in here, it doesn't matter, because in my case it was the same day. Over here I said the same day, the same month, and then ends in the same day, the same month, so it's the same day thing. I requested that one. The day, let's say, maybe, I don't know, maybe like it's on the 30th of November and 2019 on the same day, and the day is the 30th, year 2019. Even if I do 2020, it's not gonna, they're gonna say it's just one day thing. Frequency, I don't know why they put there, so I put that here, and I give them the location purpose first, and then the location is right here. You're gonna have to put the degree and minutes and seconds. By the way, that's another thing that you're gonna have to find out, where is your location. So let me show you quickly how to get this. So I'm going to Google Earth, and Google Earth, you type in your address. So let's see. It's a simple thing. It's not really a big deal. 41 Carbon Road, Irving. So we search. It takes me to the location. It's right there. This is what I trying to get the authorization to fly under 100 feet, because that's a site that I wanted to get an inspection of. So how do you get that northern eastern, or the degree and second, like that location for this one? So I'm gonna drop a pin. The pin goes on the top of it, and here it is. That's the altitude and longitude. So take those numbers right there and put them where they ask you what is the altitude and the degree, minute, and second, and the direction. Of course, it's all right here. That's 32 degree, 52 second, 45. You can just say 46 minutes north. That's the direction. And this is the longitude, and this is the direction. So it's very simple. Just drop a pen and get the information right here. And when you fill up all this, and you're gonna say what is the purpose, why you wanna fly. And in my case, I told him that this is a water plant, and we doing some rehabilitation to it, and some replacement to the pump station. So we need to take an aerial image and footage and use that for our purpose. The next step process will be the review and the confirmation. It's very simple. It's not really a big deal. But I didn't know all this. I thought I needed a waiver, but it turned out it's not a waiver. It's just an authorization. Usually it takes about, I don't know, some people they said maybe 2 to 3, 5 days. I have no idea. Hopefully they can give me that authorization because I need to go there within about 48 hours. You can manage it, like you can take a look, just once submit it. It's non-answer. Usually they send you an email and then they tell you what is the result. If they need more paper or you're good to go or the approved or whatever. So it's just right there. You just click on it and it gives you what is the status right there. It's right here. And when it's submitted, I have the address and everything else. So that will do it for how you're going to get an authorization to fly around the major airport.
That's it for this video. I hope you find the information useful, and I hope it helps you get your authorization quick and easy. If you like it, give it a thumb up, subscribe, share it. Maybe somebody else can use the information to help them as well. That's it for me. I'm signing off, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.